Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can attach any attachment in transaction timeline for external or internal communication. So first of all, let us go to our transaction module. So on your left hand side panel, you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Once you will go in transaction module, these are the list of transactions which I have created. So I will open one of the global order. This is our transaction timeline. So as you can see that in each and every transaction, in each and every document, here is a post comment feature. So you need to click on post comment. Now you need to select that will the visibility will be internal or external. You can put a comment here. And so currently I have just changed it to external, the visibility. You can put the comment here, and from here you can attach a file. So just click on this, and then after it will ask you to go ahead and just make the selection from your local list. So as I can go ahead and see that ledger voucher, suppose I am just going ahead and sending a ledger voucher. So you need to select this particular ledger voucher file, click on open, so it will get uploaded. After that you need to click on submit, and accordingly it will get uploaded on your transaction timeline. So let me quickly go ahead and show you. So once I clicked on submit, please check this particular ledger voucher is submitted. I can go ahead, click on this, and accordingly this particular attachment will get downloaded. Same you can make the visibility internal, and then after you can attach it in the transaction timeline. You can do it for any of the document which you have created. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while attaching any attachment in transaction timeline for external use case. Have a good day ahead.